Hello guys, this is your biology mentor, and today I will be discussing on how can you maximize your score during exams. As you know, I have already covered the notes of plasma membrane part 1, and if you are interested, I can also conduct full classes and provide complete chapter-wise notes for your preparation. But for now, I want to focus on something equally important, the exam strategy. As because your exams are coming near, so I will be sharing 5 key points that you need to follow during your exams in order to maximize your score and perform at your best. Okay, so without wasting any time, let me go straight to the points. Look, the first thing that you should do is to go through all the previous year questions. Uh, Collect as many as you can, but I think at least last 4 years are necessary. This will help you to understand the pattern of the questions, which topics are important, as well as which ones carry the less weight. Based on that, you can prepare a proper timetable and distribute your study hours in such a way that you give more time to the frequently asked and high weightage topics. And as well as you can still keep space for the others. This method will not only save your time but also make your preparation more targeted and effective. So the second point that is mostly crucial for the students and most of them are failed to follow this point is the time management and how you divide it according to the number of papers you have. This is especially important for all undergraduate semester students. You must first understand the length and depth of the syllabus for each paper. Then distribute your timetable accordingly throughout the semester. Since the time given by the university for the preparation is often highly variable, as I have seen from my previous experiences, that the timetables that are given for each semester, let it be even or odd, that are not fixed. So my personal suggestion is this: if you can complete the syllabus of the current semester early, immediately start preparing for the next one. This will give you an extra edge over the other students and reduce the last minute exam pressure. But don't forget to revise the topics that are currently being asked. And let's go to the third point. The third point is, in my opinion, the most crucial because this strategy I want you all to follow during exam time. After receiving the question, don't rush to write immediately. Instead, you should do what? Do a thoroughly paper analysis. Take about 5 minutes to carefully analyze the paper. Since the current pattern is mostly long answer based question, you must divide your time accordingly. By first understanding the structure of paper, you will be able to plan your answers better. This short analysis of the paper will give you a clear mind map of what you are supposed to do, and it will also help in panic conditions and help you attend the paper in a more organized and confident way. So, according to me, if you follow this, then I can assure you that there will be no hazardous situation incoming for you during the exam time. So let's go to the fourth point. The fourth point is all about time management while attempting the question. From the very beginning of the exam, try to maintain both high speed and quick thinking. While writing question number one, you should already pre-plan what you are going to write in the question number three. Because the time given by Calcutta University, based on my experience, is less. I think it is less because you have to attempt all of that with a constant and focus way. So I think it's less. So try to maintain both high speed and quick thinking. It becomes very difficult to complete the paper on time. My suggestion is to give more priority to the 5 marks questions first, as they are shorter and can be completed quickly. Once those are done, move on to the 10-mark questions. Some questions can be managed with short and precise explanations, but for those that require detailed explanation, give more focus. This way, you can balance both speed and paper quality in your paper. The fifth and the last point is that how you should present your answers. Always try to break down your answers into clear points. Give bullets, give points like one, two, three, four, like that. This makes it easier for the teacher to understand what you are trying to highlight. And it also increases the overall attractiveness of your paper. However, you must keep one thing in your mind: avoid adding unnecessary information just to make the answer look more longer. This is not arts, this is completely science. So, science requires properly explanation based answers. Teachers can easily recognize when a student is over explaining irrelevant details, and in such cases, your marks might actually get reduced. Instead, I am suggesting you to focus on writing the core concepts first. Keep it short and clear and to the point. Once that is covered, you may add a little elaboration and support it, but only after the main idea is established. And in addition, try to give or present as much as diagram possible for you, because diagrams are one of the key things in biology that will help you to reach the higher position. Teachers like diagrams very much along with the explanations, so try to give as much as diagrams possible for you. Even if there are no diagrams exist for a question, try to give a word diagram which will try to explain the feature in a more easy and passionate way. I think all of if you guys follow all of these points, then I think there won't be any negative factor that will be degrading your score. Instead, you will get passed in the university examinations with flying colors. Thank you guys. And don't forget to check out my plasma membrane part 1 notes. I have modified and customized it in such a way according to Calcutta University, and it can also be it is also applicable for students preparing for any other exam, because the core concept is being mentioned there clearly, so you will be able to understand what the points are. So thank you guys.